Hi there, my name's Naomi and I'm a team member at Verde Salon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a hand massage at home. So this is a really great way to relax and, incorporate some of the salon experience in your home routine as well. All right, so I hope you're gonna grab your favorite hand lotion and follow along with me. My favorite is Aveda's Hand Relief. So this one is the perfect consistency for a hand massage. It's not gonna leave your hands feeling sticky afterwards, so it's perfect. I'm just going to take a pea-sized amount, a little bit bigger maybe, depending on how dry your hands are, and massage that in, really working it into the fronts of your hands, the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and up onto your wrist as well. We want to get that nice and all over, so we're good to go for our massage. So we're going to start off on the back of the hand with a nice big slow circles, and don't be afraid to use a little bit more pressure here, depending on what works for you. We're going to start out with some nice wide circles and move up into the wrist with some smaller circles as well with our thumb, massaging towards the outside of our hand. And I really love this one because I feel like there's a lot of kind of small bones and muscles in your hands that don't necessarily get the attention they deserve. So next, we're gonna go through and massage down our fingers. So one thing that's nice to do here is move your thumb back and forth a little bit as you're going through and massaging down your fingers, and that one really feels nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. So again, starting out with those big circles on the hand, moving up into smaller circles on the wrist. This is one of my favorite parts right here. And moving back down to finish, and going in and starting to do some of those fingers as well, going as slowly as you need, really getting in there, and applying the right pressure for you, because everybody likes a different amount of pressure. It's the nice thing about doing the hand massaging yourself. So we're gonna start off with the inside of our hand in that muscle where our thumb is, because that's the biggest muscle in your hand, and that's what tends to get really tight from, holding a pen, holding your cell phone, typing, whatever activities you tend to be doing. So we're gonna start out doing really nice big circles, moving in the direction of your thumb and really towards the outside of your hand, starting with those big circles. Next, right in between right in that big muscle, going in between your thumb and your forefinger, you're going to find where it feels kind of the hardest and really give it a bit of a press and a little massage in there. Next, we're going to go and massage kind of the opposite side of our palm, again in little outward circles, applying the right amount of pressure for you. Once you kind of do this muscle, you can definitely tell that your thumb muscles are quite a lot stronger and sturdier than those. So it's really good to do all of it. Next, I like to move on to my knuckles, going all the way back and forth and then doing small circles over each knuckle. You want to make sure you're using the rest of your hand, so your other fingers, to support the hand that you're massaging as you're going through and doing those little circles over the knuckles. And again, these are such, small bones, small muscles that you don't realize hold tension until you start massaging them. So then I like to finish off again doing the finger pulls and massaging through in there, nice and slow. And you can see a little bit more here that I'm moving my thumb back and forth a little bit as I go. Next, you want to move on to your other hand. So again, doing the big circles in your thumb and on the opposite side, pinching in your thumb muscle and doing small circles there, going back and forth across your knuckles, giving them nice little circles over each one, and finishing off by going through and massaging each finger. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this and you followed along with the hand massage or are going to try it at home in the future. These products are available at verdesalon.ca as well as in salon. So we have 2 locations, one in Seasons located by the IKEA and one in Bridgewater Center.